Seansnach bhfuil na focail seo ar rólas ad ach tá siad fíorthábhaach má tá tú gurí a bheith compradach le labhairt na Gaeilge. Iver a hain an nummercha for too much or too many. So I can use it by itself, runna me an nummercha, I did too much, or I can combine it with a noun, an nummercha arrogant, too much money. Iver though, mar an géine for the same. So while if I'm saying the same X, and X is a noun, the same person, an duine céine, the same school, an scoil céine, if I'm just saying the same by itself, it's going to be mar an géine. A good example would be, they were all the same, full stop, bhí siad go léir mar an géine. Iver trí ceann, meaning one, but not as the number, more so as the unnamed noun. Examples in English would be this one, that one, the big one, the last one. So for example, the big one on ceann mór, the other one on ceann eile. Iver chathair, cinse for definitely, absolutely, or for sure. So on one tuig dul a nocht, are you going tonight? Cinse, for sure. Iver a cuig, riamh, meaning ever or never. Ní rá mé ann riamh, I was never there before. Agus an ceann tearnach iver a sé chance being used to indicate the idea of might. Chance go mai si imithe, she might be gone. Le haidhbhad níos mó díreach go suala seo, bíad amháil ar patreon.com/learnirishonline.